You're going to love the 2010 Toyota Highlander. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.